Welcome to Nadam Academy Carnatic Music Lessons. Today's lesson is the Anupallavi of the popular composition Samaja Varagamana in Hindola Ragam set to Aditalam. This composition is by Saint Tyagaraja, and Hindolam is a Janya Raga, Audava Raga, derived from the 20th Mela, Nata Bhairavi. Sa ga ma dha ni sa sa ni dha ma ga sa. Shadjam, Sadharana Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Shuddha Daivadam and Kaishiki Nishadam. Okay, Anupallavi. Sama ni ga ma ja Sudhamaya Samadhigamaja Madagamadhanisa Samadhigamaja Sudhamaya Nisa sa sa Gana Nisanida Sama Nigamaja Sudhamaya Gana Talam Sama Nigamaja Sudhamaya Gana Samanigamaja Sudhamaya Gana. Second Sangadi Samanigamaja Sudhamaya Gana Samanigamada Sudhamaya Gana Nisasa Vichakshana Nisa Magasa Vichakshana Gunashila Nisadani Samanigamaja Sudhamaya Gana Vichakshana Gunashila Nisadani Dayalavala Nisanida Nida Maapalaya Nisanida Nida Madamagadani Dayalavalama Palaya Samanigamaja Sudhamaya Gana Vichakshana Gunashila Dayalavalama Palaya Samajavara Gamana Samanigamaja Sudhamaya Gana Vichakshana Gunashila Dayalavalama Palaya Samajavara Gamana. Once again, Anupallavi. Samanigamaja Sudhamaya Gana Samanigamaja Sudhamaya Gana Samanigamaja Sudhamaya Gana Vichakshana Gunashila Dayalavalama Palaya Samajavara Gamana. Samanigamaja സുധാമയ ഗാന വിചക്ഷണ ഗുണശീല ദയാലമാലമാ പാലയ സാമജവര ഗമന സാധുഷ സരസാബ്ജപാല കാല തീരവിഖ്യാത സമജവര ഗമന. Okay, Charanam I will teach in next class. See you again. Thank you.